Chair recognizes Dr. Lalani for a motion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I move to suspend all necessary rules to take up and consider H.R. 2117.
Members who've heard the motion, is there any objection? Chair is none. The rules are suspended. Following resolution, clerk will read the resolution.
H.R. 2117 by Lalani, commemorating Sindhi ثقافت 2023.
Chair recognizes Dr. Lalani to explain the resolution.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Members, it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome all the guests in the gallery in general, but those guests who are here to celebrate the Sindhi ثقافت Day in particular. Can you please all rise? Sindhi ثقافت Day, which has traditionally been celebrated on the first Sunday of December. But since we are not in session in December, I thought it's apt to celebrate this today. And also, importantly, to celebrate in the month of May. Month of May is the AAPI celebration month. You know, we are, AAPI community is almost 2 million Texans in the state. It is the fastest growing, most linguistically diverse, most religiously diverse, geographically diverse community. But what unites us is we are American first, we are Texan first. I also understand there are few people here who are first time in the gallery. I would say welcome to your capital. I hope this is not just the first time, but the first time of many to come. Bhali kari aaya, tawanje capital mein, khush aamdeed. As a historian, Jdénhn, who is Inca, once noted, if we are to preserve culture, we must continue to create it. That, I think, expresses the truth at the heart of the Sindhi ثقافت. Since it was first observed in 2009, it is a day not only to celebrate Sindhi culture, but also to renew it for the following year. There is something else in this idea as well. Something that our state, our nation, and our planet surely needs. When we invite others to join us in our celebration, in our culture, and others invite us to do the same, we make both our communities and our world stronger and more vibrant. Members, at this time, I would also like to remind you and invite you that we are celebrating the Cultural Day. At around 12:30, and down in the members' lounge, we'll be celebrating the culture and lunch. So please join us. And the thing that you're seeing that I'm wearing, this is called ajrak. This is a very traditional thing when a guest comes to the home. The host gives and offers this ajrak. So they have all these with you. They have brought it. So if you please join us, and you will all get one of these. The staff are welcome at the lunch. The staff is welcome at the lunch. Anybody who wants to join and have fun is welcome. So please come, stay engaged, stay involved, and be the change that you want to be. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I move to adopt.
Question occurs on the adoption of the resolution. Is there any objection? Chair is none. The resolution is adopted.